I'll be explaining how stem cells and progenitor cells make possible growth and repair of tissues. So, how do stem cells and progenitor cells make possible growth? Stem cells are cells with the potential to differentiate into many different types of cells in the body. Stem cells can self-replicate. This process is called self-renewal. There are two categories of stem cells. They are embryonic stem cells and adult stem cells. Progenitor cells are descendants of stem cells that further differentiate to create specialized cell types. There are many types of progenitor cells throughout the human body. Each progenitor cell is only capable of dividing a restricted number of cells that belong to the same tissue or organ. This is called a committed cell. An example of ways stem and progenitor cells help to promote growth is stem cell hair transplant. Research is ongoing, but has been successfully performed in 2017 by an Italian surgeon. The process would be similar to current hair transplant procedures, but instead of a surgeon removing a large area of hair follicles from a dense area of hair, like you see on the right picture, which is typically taken out from the back of the head, stem cell hair transplant would remove a small skin sample and harvest the hair follicles. The follicles would then be replicated in a lab and implanted into the affected areas of the scalp to help promote hair growth. Like you see on the picture of the left, they would make little tiny slits into where they would place the hair follicles. How do stem cells and progenitor cells make repair of tissues? Stem cells and progenitor cells can regenerate and differentiate into wide ranges of specialized cell types. Stem cells follow inflammatory signals from damaged tissues and have multiple ways of repairing these damaged areas. The primary role of a progenitor cell is to replace dead or damaged cells, so progenitor cells are necessary for repair after an injury and as part of ongoing tissue maintenance. Progenitor cells also replenish blood cells and play a role in embryonic development. A bone marrow transplant, or stem cell transplant, is a procedure that infuses stem cells into your body to replace damaged or diseased bone marrow. For example, bone marrow transplants can benefit people who are suffering with leukemia. Leukemia is a type of cancer that affects the blood and bone marrow. With a stem cell transplant, it can help leukemia patients provide new stem cells, which can help kill cancer cells directly. Or, the transplant can also allow high doses of chemotherapy or radiation by replacing the bone marrow damage by treatment. My citations.